Hello mga tita and tita, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Herlyn. For today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo on how to register Sss Online. So if wala ka pang Sss number, better watch this video until the end para malaman mo kung paano. Okay, just keep on watching. Just prepare your email address, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, then internet connection. Okay, just stop here. Next, type www.ss.gov.ph, then click here. And then, select all image with both or depende kung anong merong picture dyan, then verify. Okay, then check the I'm not a robot, then submit. Okay, next, so click here the apply now. So no SS yet. Okay, so apply online. So now you can register as SSS member through our online facility. Click here. Then ito na po yung mga step-by-step guide. Okay, basahin mo muna bago ka mag-start. Then registrant record verification. Choose if registrant has complete name, last name and first name only. Last name only and first name only. Okay, so if ever complete naman, so ilagay mo lang last name, first name, middle name. So if ever may suffix naman, example junior, so ilagay mo din yan. Then, date of birth kung kailan ka pinanganak, and then active email. Okay, then check the I'm not a robot and then box that I certify that above information are true and correct. Tapos select submit. A confirmation link was sent to your email. Click or paste the link on your browser address bar to proceed with your SS number application. So better check your email now. And then you open the Gmail. Ayan. So ito na. Nag-email na si SSS. Then click. You open that one. Then continue link. Reminders, you have 5 calendar days to complete your application before the link expires. Once the link expires, you need to submit a new application online. Okay, so continue with our basic information. Kung ikaw ay lalaki, select mo male. And if ikaw naman ay babae, so select mo female. Click if mother's maiden name has complete name, last name and first name only, last name only, and first name only. So next is contact information. So ilagay mo yung mobile number mo. Kung meron ka rin namang telephone number, and then active email address. So sa home address naman, check if address mo is Metro Manila or province. Okay, so ilagay mo na lang yung city and barangay, building name, house number, and street and subdivision. Okay, next is purpose of registration. So kapag nag-a-apply ka pa lang, so choose mo for employment. Okay, then tap next. Okay, next is social status. So if single ka, ilagay mo single. Then if married ka naman, ilagay mo yung married. Okay, then nationality, Filipino. Then religion, Christian. So may other religion, pwede mo rin yang lagyan. Okay, so next is place of birth, kung saan ka pinanganak. Okay, so dito sa country, select mo Philippines if dito ka sa Philippines pinanganak. Then, if ever Metro Manila or province, select mo din yun, city, okay? Tapos, click next. Then, beneficiaries. So, dito naman tayo is sa father's info, okay? So, ilagay mo din yun yung complete name ng papa mo. And then, if married ka naman, ilagay mo name ng asawa mo. And then, name ng mga anak mo, okay? Make sure na tama yung mga nilagay mo, just like birth date, and then beneficiary other than parents, spouse, and children. So, pwede dito brother, sister, pinsan, etc. Ikaw na yung bahalang pipili, okay? Then next is reminder, review and correct your entries. Once SS number is already generated, applicant will need to go to SSS branch to correct his or her information. Click the previous button to correct your entries. Then, contact information, home address, beneficiary. So once okay na, just click generate SS number and then ilagay mo rin yung height and weight mo. Then, preferred user ID. So meron naman dyang sample. Okay? Check your email address. Later, you will be receiving the activation link in your email address for the nomination of your my.sss account password. Okay, next. You need ATM application. Optional naman to. So, pwedeng mag-proceed ka na lang. Just click here, proceed. And then, so ito yung mga required documents for tagging of SS number. Birth certificate, and then, kung wala kang birth certificate, may pagbibilian ka naman, which is the B and letter C. Since di pa tayo mag-upload, so click mo natin submit. And then next, make sure that you have to activate the My SS account by clicking on the activation link to be sent to your email address upon successful transaction. Click yes. Okay. Congratulations, you have successfully applied for an SS number. Your registration information are the following. Okay, just check your email and then click here. Now, please activate your My.SS member account and provide your password by clicking here. So, after mong gumawa ng password, so ito na yung makikita mo. Home, member info inquiry, e-service, payment preference number, and then log out. Okay, so pwede mo na itong mahulugan pero need mo pa rin pumunta ng branch to submit all your required documents. Okay? So, pwede mo na ma-monitor ang contribution mo online by using the SSS mobile app. Okay? So, kung may natutunan ka sa video na to, just click subscribe and click the bell button para updated ka sa next video natin. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'm Ping. Continue link. You have 5 days So, ayan, dito na tayo napunta, basic information. So, put your mother's maiden name. So, mother, name ng mother na pagkadalagan niya. Yes, place of birth, kung asa ka na panganak. Ano sa ba nung nabisaya ko na.